Hello, my friends. I am going to be picking for you today this little, I believe it is a 10mm master lock. Here's the bitting on the key. Got some deep cuts in there, but as you can see, it's only a little 4-pin. But here we go. I'm going to be single pin picking it with this standard but beat up hook. Here's the tension wrench I'll be using. See if we can get this here for you on video. And there you go. All opened up. I'm actually surprised because that is the fastest I have ever opened this lock. Normally this lock takes me about 20-30 seconds, if not longer. That was quick. That was what, like 2 seconds? Well, thanks for watching my video. Please check out my other videos. Please subscribe and have a great day.